We're back, YouTube. We're taking this camping this weekend, and this weekend is tomorrow. So, we've got a lot to do here. We've got to finish all of this. I got to get that toilet in, get all these doors on. We have to get all the hinges on, they've been sprayed. We have to get the carpet installed. Still have to reupholster some of the cushions. She's making up curtains, we got to get them on. So much to do today. I don't know how we're going to get it done. I hope we get it done on time. Either way, I will get it done enough to make it so that we can go camping in it for sure. So, better stop talking. Let's get to work. A few nasty moments later. Toilet's installed. That was gross. Looking for these doors. Got to put the hinges on them, the latches on them. We're going to sweep from the bathroom over to the other side. So, I want to get this door on. Want to get all this done. And just, you know, work my way back so I'm not jumping all over the place, not getting anything done. So, got someone wants to come and look at the Jeep today at 3 o'clock, so maybe we'll sell something today too, make some money. We brought the troops. Yeah. Getting it done.
Oh yeah.
Hanging doors now, guys.
Ask me if I'm stressed out because we leave for camping tomorrow morning. Be sure it's not done at all.
We're going to jam this bad boy out.
Packed.
Yeah.
And school starts Monday, so it's cool.
That's a good thing. I'm excited.
I know.
So yeah, the troops. They're either helping or they're in the way. Comment down below which one you think it is. Alright guys.
Selling it?
They're test driving the Jeep. We'll see what happens when they get back. I told them no less than $2 grand. If I can't get $2 grand for it, I'm just going to give it to Steele. So.
Well, we have someone else that wants to come later too.
Yeah, so we'll see. We shall see. Hold tight. Now should we do this? Or should we do a strip? Right, carpet's good. I still got to get a strip right there. I was going to do the old tuck and roll, but I don't like the way it's turned out. This stuff's really fluffy and it just gets like scraggly on the end. And when we mop that floor, it's just going to get that nasty. So we'll get a nice silver strip, run it on an angle over to there.
It'll look good.
Yeah, I think it turned out sweet for not having the right tools.
Right.
Literally used this as a carpet tucker. Used a box cutter knife because I didn't have a carpet knife. But I used to install carpet with my buddy when I was younger. He had a carpet business, and when I wasn't working framing, I would go with him and we'd install carpet, and I'd get paid about $100 a day just to help him. So I ended up getting pretty good at that.
I could sleep on this carpet.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, buddy. But it looks good. It's really soft. It's really thick.
Good. And it like goes with everything very well.
Yeah.
Like it matches.
So how's it going for you? She's getting all the drawers on. It's looking good.
Yeah.
Got the door on the bathroom.
We just gotta, finish getting that in and do some paint touch-ups for sure.
Yep. Jeep's gone. Sold it for $2 grand.
Whoop whoop.
So $875 we had into it. Sold it for $2,000 even. I told the guy, well, Britt told the guy earlier, we won't take no less than $2,000 because if we can't get that, then we'll at least give it to Steele. And this guy came over and he literally said, I buy cars, fix them up, and sell them.
Yeah.
So
he wasn't even ashamed. He point blank said, like, yep, I'll get a back hatch to cover up that rust, and I'll clean up like the rust lick that we normally clean up with the Mr. Clean. He's like, yep, fix it right up and sell it for some more money. I'm like, have at it, dude.
Leave some meat on the bone for the next guy. He's gonna make probably $800. You know, we made over 1,000. Whatever, 1,025. That's about what we usually make. So
we made good money off of it, and
that's
we
pretty
really
good.
didn't put much work into it.
Yeah. So I can't wait to do a price rundown on this. I haven't forgot where we're at.
I got it all in the back of my head.
All right, so we're gonna have to write it down someday because people are gonna want to know. But
Yeah.
The Copart camper is coming along. How do you like the gray floor? It's like gray as silver.
I know, it looks so cool.
It's like
really
you
thick.
could sleep on this if you want, if you don't want to camp it.
But-
in
It's
here.
so fluffy and soft. Like,
Yeah, it is.
I love it.
You could sleep on this if you don't want to
The
sleep in your
kids keep
tent.
coming in here and laying down and like covering up
Yeah,
with it.
as I'm trying to get it
Yeah.
installed.
It's
I'm
fine.
trying to kick carpet with just my feet like, I'm jumping around like a dork.
It's alright.
But it's stretched, it's tight,
Yeah, guys,
it's good.
go.
It's a camper.
It's a
Just
camper.
jump around in the
Right.
camper.
All right, we're gonna keep moving. We gotta get ready for camping tomorrow. So,
Yeah. Yay!
got the corners up. What do you think? Looks better, doesn't it? Anything looks better than what it was. Holds them corners together nice and tight. It'll take about a month for them to fade and they'll match that white perfectly. They stick out a little bit now, but if you're not looking for it, you don't really notice it. So, good fix on that. We're getting it done, guys.
We are.
And then where I scraped the wall with my makeshift carpet tucker, she's going through and doing that. And then I'm going to have to go through and, once it's vacuumed, trim any long hairs that are popping. But
It's coming together.
yeah, got, let's see. Oh, got cupboard doors on. Got 2 more to do there. Bathroom is
Careful,
looking
door's
good.
wet.
Outside of the door's wet. We don't want to play with that too much. We got the new counters. I don't know if you haven't watched the series on the Copart camper, go back and look at the other videos. We've done a lot to this thing actually.
A whole bunch.
Yeah, it's hard to remember what it used to look like.
I will post
But-
before pictures.
Yeah, so countertops, we did those. Epoxied the tub, the tub and shower, the toilet, the sink. Had this sink out, did all this.
Everything's been painted.
Yep. It was ugly old green carpet, and like the pads and the foam seats were all this weird green pattern.
Yeah, the
They're
green with like
nasty.
spots of like pink and teal and
Mm-hmm.
gross.
Yep. So, yeah, she's coming along, guys.
We're excited.
Yep.
That's
This video's probably getting long, but alright, I gotta run over to my dad's house real quick. He's got me trying to sell that dang Focus he bought from auction in a previous video. If you haven't seen that, go back and look
Yeah,
at
go
it.
check it
Bought
out.
it sight unseen with extreme frame damage. That's why we don't buy him sight. Well, I buy him sight unseen sometimes.
We bought a couple.
But I pay for that myself. I learned my lesson. But I'm gonna go try to sell that for him and
I'm gonna
see
keep
if I can't get
working
it
on
out of
the
his garage.
Copart camper.
Yep, you stay here. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Alright, I'm back. So, I went and sold my dad's Focus with the frame damage. He got that at IAA insurance auction. Britt's been in here slaving away, making this thing look beautiful.
Yeah, but guess what? I can't find my knobs.
Knobs are gone.
My knobs are MIA.
Not good.
Which, it's not that terrible because I have these backup set, but that's not gonna match my black hinges.
Nope. It'll look good though. It'll match the sink. But yeah, I sold the Focus. He actually gave me $100 for selling that. So that was good. We sold 2 sets of tires this morning. We sold the Jeep for $2 grand.
I got paid for babysitting.
All in all,
We're doing
we've been
alright.
hustling.
We got shoe money.
Yeah, now we gotta go spend it all on shoes for these kids. We're burning midnight oil. Getting it done. We just made a late night trip to Home Depot for that bad boy.
We're determined.
Got the strip on, got the carpet down. So, you know, basically, we get these couple little things done. The cushions are pretty much wrapped. We just gotta throw them down. The table goes
Yep.
right there on that little flange. So,
Yeah, and
it's
then
pretty much done.
it's pretty much it. I have a lot to clean up.
Yep.
We gotta finish these last couple things, throw the cushions in, and then tonight, I think if I have time, I'm gonna do the curtains, just because I think it'll be a cute little touch.
Yep.
But yeah, she's getting there.
Yeah,
It's almost
looks
done.
good.
I'm
We
excited.
got chalkboard.
Yeah, it needs to be clean as that in the garage for a little bit.
Chalkboard is always gonna look dirty though, I feel like. Because it's chalkboard, you
Yeah.
know, it's chalky. But if you made it this far into the video, thank you for watching. And all my new subscribers, what's up guys? I appreciate your support, you guys are awesome. And all our OG subscribers,
Yeah.
love you guys, man. You guys are Your encouragement's amazing,
Yeah.
as always. I love it. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for commenting and liking. If you like the video, please throw a thumbs up. And if you know anybody that might want to subscribe to the channel, please let them know I'm on a subscriber campaign.
Yeah.
We need 1,000 subscribers soon, and we'll be giving something away as soon as we hit 1,000 subs. Actually, we'll be giving our next good giveaway on 500 subs, like I said before on the last giveaway.
Yep. And then we'll do a bigger one at 1,000.
At 1,000, and I've been giving away little random things to certain people in the comments. Stay tuned. We will be camping. We will be buying more cars. We sold a Jeep today. We made a bunch of money.
We did.
We sold some tires. I sold my dad's Focus. I went over there. I ended up selling that, so he gave me some money for selling it, for going over there and dealing with it. Yeah, so all in all, it was a good day.
Yeah.
Got the camper looking good. We're gonna be camping in it. We'll shoot a camping video, pop in this weekend, see how you guys are doing.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, man. You guys have a really good night. I gotta get editing.
Yes.
Subscribe.
Thank you.
See ya.